Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I just wanted to demonstrate something that I've been working on for a little while. It is an all-purpose customizable soundboard that's intended for streamers and podcasters. Let's go through that. So to cut right to the chase, what I've done is I've built a customizable soundboard. Here it is. I call it the Marshmallow soundboard. Why is it called the Marshmallow soundboard? It's because when you press on the buttons, it's like squashing a marshmallow. So basically this is just a really nice, lean, customizable soundboard that you can run on your local network. And there's a couple of folders here. I've set this up here so to demonstrate some of the features that make the soundboard really cool. For example, you can hot swap sounds on and off the soundboard. So here is a list of the sounds that are currently on the soundboard. You can probably see that the names of the files correspond to some of the names here. Let's say we wanted to get rid of this I Am So Smart one. We just drag it out of the media folder for this here and put it into this other folder that's empty. And in a few seconds you can see that it removes that sound off the soundboard. And we can reverse the process as well. So if we go and drag this back over, you can see now that it's been returned to the board. I am so smart. We also have the concept of pagination. So if this was a slightly smaller window, representing, say, a smaller tablet device or a smaller phone, you can actually still get access to all the other sounds that you have there. They're just on a different page. You might see that these are labeled MP3, OGG, FLAC, and WAV, and that's because this soundboard supports all of those sound formats. It's debatable about whether the quality is any different or not, but it supports all those formats, so that's good. We also have color customization. This is like the standard button color, but I've made it so that the board is like somewhat customizable at the moment. The way that works is there is a manifest inside of the media directory where all the sounds go. And in that manifest, we can modify the label of the sound and the colors that are shown. Because this reads from the manifest on the fly, you can hot swap the colors or the names of the sounds. So think of this from like a streamer's or a podcaster's workflow. Like they don't have to like interrupt what they're doing or restart any programs or anything. They can just keep going and add their sounds, take their sounds off. You know, if somebody comes up with a new sort of like bit of stream lore or a stream meme or something like that, then they can clip it, maybe send it in a Discord, and then it can go straight on the board. So there's lots of opportunities for fun and kind of spontaneity with making these sounds. Also, the good thing is if you never want to touch this manifest file and you just want to drag and drop sounds, you can totally do that. This is pretty much a zero config soundboard. In the spirit of making this really accessible to non-technical users and just for everybody really, when the server gets started, it provides you with a QR code. And what you can do is you can take a mobile device, be it an Android phone, iPhone, Fire tablet, Android tablet, whatever, and you can use the camera or the QR code scanner to get to the soundboard client via your local network. You can immediately just kind of use your camera app, point it at the soundboard, and you've got a soundboard on your screen. So if I click that now,
Le grill? What the hell is that? Down!
You can hear noises. So it's pretty nifty. And here's a quick demonstration of me using the QR code connect functionality using an iPad. You can just use the camera app built into the iPad to do this. It can read the QR code and take you to the URL on your local network where the soundboard's hosted. And here I'm doing the same thing using a Fire tablet, an Amazon Fire tablet, just to demonstrate that you can use a lower end or older device for this and it'll work just as well. So you can use the Soundboard app to give some of those obsolete devices a new lease of life. The Soundboard is completely open source and it is available for download. I've also made builds for Windows, Linux, and Mac as well. It's just there and ready to use. So I encourage you to give it a go and just see if you like it. And if you want to make any changes to it, you can always submit pull requests or fork the repo. I'm really excited about the potential of this project. I think there's more scope for making it even more customizable. I think that we can add some even more interesting and useful features to it as well. I think this is a good start, and I think that this could be really useful to content creators who like to add a little bit of fun and humor to their broadcasts. So download it, give it a try, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video.